Alright, y'all, I'm back with another video. Alright, y'all see it? I got the day on the menu. Y'all see it? Oh, yeah, it look delicious, don't it? Yes, look at it. There you go. There you go. Look at it, y'all. Yeah, you see it? What I got in there? Yes, what I got in there today, y'all. So that's what I'm doing today on this big breakfast: French toast, bacon, and sausage, and scrambled eggs. So yes, look at it. Yes. Yes, that's what I'm doing today. All right, y'all. Just showing y'all what I'm eating today. So come on and join me and check it out. So that's how I do, So that's what I'm doing today. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing today, y'all. So check it out. Yes. All right, y'all. I'm gonna get off here because it's time for brunch time, lunchtime, whatever you want to call it, midday. All right, whatever you want to call it. So that's what I'm doing today. Alright, y'all, don't forget to like this video. I appreciate all y'all watching. Don't forget to watch the next one. Until the next time, everybody be good, be safe. I'm out. I had to show y'all, man. I ain't playing around, man. I tore that stuff up. That French toast sausage, man, it was delicious, boy. Alright, man, I'm gonna let y'all go. I wanna see y'all looking at an empty container, but I was had to show y'all, man. This stuff was delicious. All right, man. I got to go. Everybody be safe out there. Peace.